Yo, yo, this for all my progressive thinkers. Yo, cautious with the image that I'm giving. What used to be appealing is the shit that I'm resenting. Feel like I ain't living, I'm dealing with so much. On the low I'm acting tough, but I ain't been happy in a minute. And what's crazy is this is just the beginning. Riding around Vegas, trying to build my foundation. That immediate happiness is awaiting, but I feel it's overrated, I'm keeping a clean conscience. I just wanna do my own thing, a good heart, but what if I'm out here fighting for the wrong things? Became a daddy and start watching my behavior, helping niggas out, but niggas running out of favors. It ain't about the paper, it's about what you gon' do with it. You on your music tip, but tell me, is you the creator? These niggas don't know how to act. I should've been a school counselor to see what they get out of that. All I wanna do is help if it's a little. Got up in this game to really try to make a change. Wanna settle down, but the shit is so confusing. I'm just going through a stage where I'm learning how to be brave. Keep your head up. Fuck a phase, this is life, all I need is me. Look into my daughter's eyes, and then I get the water eyes. If I die, I pray to God she know what father tried. Word. Cause we just wanna live our lives, embrace faith, win against all odds. In our eyes, to judge niggas, that is not our job. To be a man, it is not that hard. We gon' kill them with kindness. When they try to take you out your comfort zone, hey yo, it's time to be a man, understand, we gon' kill them with kindness. And you know you gotta fucking hold your own. Can't let them take us away from the fam, we gon' kill them with kindness. Now I'm thinking in reality. What you think? Actually, I was thinking about stability. I watched my single mother feed her for years just to barely pay the bills. I don't know, that shit's killing me. But I don't wanna live like that. Mama, I don't wanna see you live like that. I told my little brothers we can build a new life. For the ones that gave us life, we can get that back. I know we tend to hold grudges. I can't control it, I'm unfolding the emotion that I'm holding. Hope the way I saw it ain't the way I won't approach it. I'm just focused on the better me. This rap shit is my pedigree. And lately I've been feeling life's testing me. She say she down and she say she wanna ride. I release the need to please or be validated by eyes in disguise. I'm just focused on what makes me come alive. I've learned to not take nothing personal. Bad environments have been my disadvantage. Not trying to be accepted has stepped me out of my box. And now these niggas watch me like I got all of the answers. But this is what I built for myself. Realistic, always had to keep it real with myself. So when they talk and it's negative or it's false, we channel out the negative thoughts without any help.